Hi, I'm Laura. Welcome to the Outdoor Kitchen Tupper Style. Today we're going to be making Carne Asada Taco Marinade in the Power Chef. Alright, so I've got my ingredients, I've got my Power Chef. As you can see, my kitchen is behind me. We are out in the woods. I love using this thing because out here you don't need any electricity. So I'm going to make my marinade. I have chipotle peppers and adobo sauce, and it's about 24 ounces, and I'm just going to dump it in here. You can find these at Walmart, by the way. Okay. And then I have already pre-squeezed half cup of fresh lime juice. Dump that in there. Got some orange juice. This is usually about 12 ounces I dump in there, just the whole thing. Got about a tablespoon of, you can use fresh garlic. I get the minced because it's a little bit easier while I'm out doing this. And then a little bit of ground pepper. Now the only thing that I forgot that I don't have is cumin. I also put that in there, probably about a tablespoon of that, maybe a little bit less, depending on how much you're making. I do have beef flat iron steak, flank steak, and this is about a pound, and this is what we'll be marinating today. So this scene is super simple. Just put this on, screw it on, and then this little thing has a pull string right here. And you basically just pull it and it'll chop it. You can always take the lid off to see how it's doing. Looks like there's a few more chunks in there, so I'm going to keep on going. Super easy to make. I use this for salsa, and guacamole, and marinades. Anything that you want to go ahead and chop up. It also has another attachment to whisk things as well. That's looking about good. Maybe a few more pulls. Alright, I think we're all set. So this season serve I use to put the steak in actually tenderizes the steak as it's marinating. It has it on both sides and works really well. You can flip it on either side to make sure it's marinated well, and then it'll also tenderize it as it's being marinated. They do make a junior season serve, however I don't have it with me today, so I'm using the regular season serve. Love this thing. I've probably had about 6 big steaks in it, and it'll hold this for a family. So I'm just going to dump this in there. And that's the blades that you use to chop it all. And then we're just going to dump this over the steak to get it marinating. And there you have it. Usually I let this set for about 48 hours. We're going to cook it up tonight. It'll be totally fine with about 12-hour marinade, even 8. I would highly recommend at least 4 hours, but there you go. There's your marinade for carne asada tacos.